Welcome back, you guys. Welcome to another vlog. Today we are in Red Deer, Alberta, and today we're gonna go from Red Deer, Alberta to Sylvan Lake. So, and hopefully you enjoyed the last couple of videos, the vlogs, as well as the visit to the Kenmore Nordic Center. If you haven't seen that video, at the end of the video there will be a link to it, so you can check it out. It's where the 1988 Winter Olympics took place. Some of the sports like cross-country skiing, biathlon, all this kind of good stuff. So anyway, I won't bore you here again. I'll set up the music, set up the camera, and enjoy the drive. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the ride. Yeah, ready to Sylvan Lake. Not very long. It's maybe 10 minutes, 15, depends how you drive. But yeah, so that's another adventure. Hopefully you enjoyed those videos. If you do, click that likes, please, and subscribe for more. I'm gonna try to do one every couple days for you guys, so consistent uploads every couple days. Yeah, different from Calgary and also from other routes in Alberta, as I do drive every day, so you never know where I am next day. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video once again. If you did, please click that subscribe button, click the bell notification so you're notified of every time I post a video. And till the next time, guys, take care.